What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-105638-3, content activation failed. Your content is not activated. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side and I'm just going to show you how to fix this up. Here we are at the screen and let's go to the settings. Here we are at the settings and user and accounts. Just go to the others in the here is others console sharing and offline play. Sometimes you just download your content on the other PSN account, but you try to play in the another PSN account. You just sign in both in the one console. You must which one you just download the content. You just go to here and enable a console sharing and offline play. Then you play it in the both, and you just go to the restore license. If you become the unable to use the content, it's not able, you just restore the license. Sometimes having a problem for the license, and sometimes some application or content is not working in the region. So go to the here's the PS5 management, family management, PS5 settings, and you just set the country and region from here, which one is your application or content is working. Set it and then get back. You just try to play your content or activate your content, it will be fixed. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of error on your PlayStation 5. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.